My name is Andy Schofield. I'm the Regional Land Manager with Natural Resources Wales. I work in a team which is responsible for the management of forestry on a Welsh Government estate in South Wales. Larch disease has affected almost all the trees here at Cwmcarn. Whilst we can't prevent infection, we can slow the spread of the disease down, and we will be doing this by removing the trees. The area covered by the diseased trees is equivalent to about 190 rugby pitches, that's over 160 hectares, and that equates to about 160,000 trees we estimate that will have to be removed. Many people have asked why we have to close the Forest Drive road. The simple answer is it wouldn't be safe or practical to allow motorists onto the road whilst we're felling trees and hauling the timber off the site. Our number one priority has to be the protection of the public. Due to the sheer scale of the work that we've got and the nature of the terrain, we are going to have to bring in specialist equipment to harvest the larch trees. We'll be operating on very steep slopes with very few flat areas on which the processing work can take place. This will have to happen on the narrow Forest Drive road itself. In order to minimise the disruption to visitors and importantly the local residents, we aim to try and complete the work around the Forest Drive road itself within 2 years. This may of course be affected if we had, for example, particularly harsh winters. Whilst the Forest Drive road itself will close, all the other facilities at Cwmcarn Forest will remain open. That will include the cafe, the visitor centre, the shop, the campsite, the fishing lake, the mountain bike trails, the new pump track, the walking trails around the forest. The only time that the mountain bike trails and walking trails might be affected is if they are in the vicinity of where the felling operations will be taking place, and we may need to put in local temporary diversions whilst that is happening. Once the affected larch areas have been cleared, we will allow for some natural regeneration. We will also supplement this with the planting of some native broadleaf trees such as rowan, oak and beech, as well as some marketable timber varieties with spruces, firs and pines. Whilst obviously we're saddened to have to harvest all this larch now, it does give us a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to redesign Cwmcarn Forest and actually produce a more diverse habitat in the future. People have been very concerned and have been asking whether we will be reopening the Forest Drive road. We can't give a guarantee that that will be the case, but it is our ambition to be able to open the drive in some form in the future, and this will be dependent on the availability of funds. We have already started to explore some of the options for what the future Forest Drive road might look like, and already our discussions with visitors and local residents have come up with some great ideas for the future. Following recent drop-in sessions at the Visitors Centre, we have listened to the local residents and visitors' concerns and have updated our frequently asked questions. These will be available on our website. If there are further questions that you feel have been unanswered, please email us.